Yes, children. Exercise 5.3, class 10 maths, based on AP, arithmetic progression. We are going to solve the question number 16. A sum of rupees 700 to be used to give the 7 prizes to the student in a school. What is the sum here? 700 rupees to be used to give the 7 prizes. How many prizes are there? 7 prizes are there. If the overall academic performance, if each prize is rupees 20 less than the preceding prize, means if the first prize is, let the first prize is 100 rupees, so second prize will be 80 rupees, 20 less than the preceding prize. The difference between the first prize and second prize is 20 rupees, or first prize is 20 rupees more than the second prize. Similarly, the second prize is 20 rupees more than the third prize. Similarly, the third prize is 20 rupees more than the second prize, is fourth prize. So likewise. So in this problem, the sum of the money has been given. That means Sn is equal to 700 is given to you. How many total number of prizes? 7 prizes. That means N has been given to you. And D, let the second prize is of rupees 100 and first prize will be rupees 120. So 100 minus 120 will be minus 20. In this way, D is equal to minus 20. Now we want to find what is A here. What is the first prize? So if we want the first prize, so we can create the AP with the common difference D minus 20. So here we want to find the A. So Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now simply we'll put the value. 700 is equal to n by 2. N is 7 here. 7 by 2 2a plus 7 minus 1 into D. That is 700 is equal to 7 by 2 2a plus 6 into D. What is the value of D here? D is minus 20. So in place of D we have to write minus 20. Now 700 is equal to 7 by 2 plus 2a plus minus 120. So when we'll open the bracket, 700 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 by 2 into 1 minus 120. When we will solve, 700 is equal to 7a plus 260s, that is minus 420. So 700 is equal to 7a minus 420. So 1120, 700 plus 420 is equal to 7a. That is 1120 is equal to 7a. So what is the value of A? A is equal to 1120 upon 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 6 are 42. 7 zeros are 0. So A1, A is equal to 160. That means first, let the first prize is A. Let the first prize is equal to A. A we want to find. First prize मिल गया. What will be the second prize? A2 क्या हो जाएगा? 160 minus 20. A2 will be 160 minus 20. A3 will be 140 minus 20, 120. A4 is equal to 120 minus 20, that is 100. A5 will be 100 minus 20, that is 80. A6 will be 80 minus 20, that is 60. And A7 is equal to 60 minus 20, that is 40. So this is the first prize. First prize will be 160. Second prize will be 140. Third prize will be 120. Fourth prize 100. Fifth prize 80. Sixth prize 60. And seventh prize is 40. So answer, the prizes will be, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. is equal to 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60 and 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 prizes will be like that. This will be your answer. So I think you have understood this, how to solve this problem. Now next problem. In a school, students through the thought of planting a tree in and around the school to reduce the air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class. That means, example, class 1 children will plant the 1 plant, class 2 children will plant the 2 plants, class 3 children will plant the 3 class. And in this way, there are each class having 3 sections. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the student? That means what we have to find, SN we want to find. How many classes are there? That is number of classes. N will be 12. And N we have, what is the difference? D we want to D. So first of all we are going to make the AP. So first class, second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class, sixth class, seventh class, eighth class, ninth class, 10th class, 11th class and 12th class. How many classes are there? Up to class 12. Each class having 3 sections. Suppose class 1 plant the 1 plant and there are 3 sections. So 1 into 3, 3 plants will be planted by class 1. Similarly, the class 2 will plant the 2 plant and there will be 3 sections. And class 3 will plant the 3 plant, there are 3 sections. And class 4 will plant the 4 plant and there are 3 sections. 5 will plant the 5 plants with 3 sections. Class 6 will plant 6 plant with 3 sections. 7 will plant the 7 plants with 3 sections. 8 will plant the 8 plants with 3 sections. 9 will plant the 9 plants with 3 sections. 10 will plant the 10 plants with 3 sections. And 11 will plant the 11 plants with 3 sections. And 12th will plant the 12 plants with 3 sections. So how many plants will be planted by class 1? 3. Class 2, 6. Class 2 will plant 6 plant. Class 3 will plant the 9 plant. 4 will plant the 12 plant. Class 5th will plant the 15th plant. 6th will plant the 18 plant. And in this way, the class 12 will plant the 36 plants. So what AP we are getting here? 3, 6, 9, 12 up to 36. So we have D. SN we want to find. SN we want to find. A is 3 and D is also also 3 and N is equal to 12. So how many total number of tree will be planted by the classes? SN is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D, that is N by 2, that is 12 by 2. 2A, A is 3 plus N minus 1, 12 minus 1 into D is 3. So SN is equal to 6, 2 3s are 6 plus 11 3s are 33. That is 6 into 39 plants will be planted by the total number of 12 classes. So 6 9s are 54, 6 3s are 18 plus 5 23. 234 plants will be planted by the all the 12 classes, or total 234 plants will be planted in the school from the classes. Total 234 plants will be planted by the classes 1 to 12 in the school. I hope children you will learn that. Now 18th question, Same exercise 5.3. Here, a spiral is made up of successive semicircle with center alternatively A and B, starting with the center A of radius 0.5 and 1 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter and 2 centimeter as shown in the figure 5.5. 4. What is the total length of such spiral made up of the 13 consecutive circles? Okay, spiral, you know what is a spiral? It is made by the circle to with the same circle. Or now you can see the picture. There is a spiral made by the center A, then with the center B they have started the second circle. Now with the center B with radius 1 centimeter they are starting this is the first semicircle, and from the center starting from the point B, this is A and this is B. This is the first semicircle with center A, first semicircle with center A. Now once again I am going to draw this. Here the first semicircle with center A, it is intersecting B. From the second circle with center B, and the third semicircle with again center A. In this way the semicircle has been drawn to make a spiral. So there are 13 semicircle, you can see, as you can see, first semicircle, second semicircle, third semicircle, fourth semicircle, fifth semicircle. In this way there are 13 semicircles are there with the center A and B alternatively, and the radius of the each semicircle are R1 is equal to 0.5, R2 is equal to 1, R3 is equal to 1.5 and R4 is equal to 2 centimeter, and so on. In this way there are 13 circles and we want to find the total length of the spiral. Now remember one thing, that length of semicircle, total length of, let the length of semicircle is L, let the length of each semicircle is L, and which is equal to the pi r, so total length, that means Sn is equal to L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 up to L13. Now what is L? L1 is equal to pi r1, that is pi r1 is radius 1 is equal to 0.5 or pi by 2, and similarly the D and L1 is equal to A, first term L1 plus L2 plus A is equal to L1, so A is equal to pi by 2. Similarly D is equal to the pi R2 minus pi R1, that is pi common निकालेंगे, R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2 is again a 0.5. 1 minus 0.5, that is 0.5. So D is equal to 0.5 pi, or D is equal to pi by 2. Here N is equal to 13. How many circles are to be made with the, how many semicircles are made up with the, in this spiral? There are 13 semicircle. 13 semicircle are making this spiral. So we want to find the length of total spiral. So length of the spiral, total length of the semicircle is equal to the length of spiral. Total length of the semicircle, total circumference of semicircle, total of 13 semicircle is equal to the total length of the spiral. Now we have first term A, we have common difference D, we have number of terms are there 13. So we can find the total length of the spiral, that is Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here Sn is equal to n by 2 13 by 2 plus 13 by 2 plus नहीं होगा n by 2 2a n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे similarly one by one we'll put the values of each. So 2a means here pi by 2 plus n minus 1, that 13 minus 1 into d is also pi by 2 here. So 13 by 2 into 2 से 2 cancel होगा, pi plus 12 into pi by 2, that is 2 6. So 13 by 2 into 7 pi, which is equal to 13 by 2 into 7 into 22 by 7. 7 से 7 cancel होगा, 2 11 11 33 11 13 11 3 33, 11 1 11 plus 3 43. So the total length of the semicircles are equal to will be 143 centimeter, or in this way we can say the total length of the spiral will be 143 centimeter. So I hope you understood. This is a very long problem, so once again I am going to explain you. Here the semicircles are making the spiral. You can see in each round we can see the semicircle, first semicircle, second semicircle, third semicircle, fourth semicircle, fifth semicircle. In this way the 13 semicircle are making the spiral, and with the one they are first time A is a center, then B center, then A center, then B center, alternatively, and the radius of each semicircle is R1, R2, R3, R4. Now we want to find the total length of the spiral. Total length of the spiral will be the total length of, or will be the circumference of each semicircle. Circumference of 13 semicircle. Total length of the spiral will be the circumference of each semicircle. Now let the length of each semicircle is L. So L will be the equal to the pi r, circumference of semicircle. Circumference of semicircle. Now Sn will be L1 plus L2 plus L3, and L1 will be the equal to A, and L2 minus L1 will be equal to D. L2 minus L1 will be equal to D. L2 minus L1 will be equal to D. So here the D is equal to pi by, we'll take the pi common, R1 minus R2, pi R1 minus R2 is equal to 0.5, that is D is equal to 0.5, or this can be equal to, it can be written as a pi by 2. N is equal to 13, D is equal to pi by 2, A is equal to pi by 2. So by putting the value in the formula to find the sum of the first n term of the AP, we will find the value of Sn, sum. So in this way we have find the total length of a spiral. Thank you, children.